2010 Kia Sedona, 31,000 miles, white with grey cloth interior, second row captain's seats, stow and geo third row, remainder of factory warranty applies. Live outside the state of Utah? No problem. We can deliver the vehicle to you or pick you up at the airport. We make internet shopping fun and easy no matter where you live. Call one of our specialists today. 801-497-6596. Free delivery to some out-of-state locations. Call for details.